Hi guys, and welcome back to another session of Digital Forensics training, and today we will be talking about forensic investigation toolkits and what item you should have forensic investigation toolkit when you are visiting any crime scene or any incident scene. So let's talk about those items. So first of all, you should have a laptop with the required software. Previously we have talked about workstation. Similarly, you will have a laptop with the same softwares installed in it, and your system should have up-to-date operating system with all the patches to avoid any kind of mishap or crash during the investigation. You should have applications media and backup drives, because when you are going to an incident, it can happen that you have to take data from the same network and to store on your own network, because most of the time there is also local area network which does not support remote data transformation. So this was for the backup drives. And then you should have external writable media. When I am talking about external writable media, it can be external hard drives, it can be any kind of USBs, it can be any kind of device that can store the data in a scenario where you cannot store data inside your laptop. Then you should have specific chargers for your laptops and your mobile phones, and you should have power bank as a backup, because when it might be like you are going to an investigation scene and there is no electricity and there is complete electricity cut off, or you have to do the electricity cut off or network cut off to avoid any transformation of data. So anything can happen and you have to prepare for the worst. And you should have necessary mobile, laptops, tablet, data cables, and I will say that you will have a bag full of these cables for all the latest accessories. There are also one cable with multiple ends, and you can utilize that cables when you are including in a toolkit. So you have to go for tech savvy things, and which can be stored easily. So you need to have all kind of cables with you, because you don't know what will be happening on the crime scene and what kind of data you have to transfer. Even when I went to an incident scene, we had to transfer the drive to a SATA enclosed cover. So basically we were not able to transfer that device or hard drive directly to our system. So we had one in our toolkit, and we worked on it, and we transferred that data from that space for the recovery. And then you should have external internet devices. There is a severe problem of internet we have encountered at various places. When we are going for incident scene, most of the time there is internet cut off from there, and because they don't want the data to be transferred. So you should have your own internet services, like external portable internet devices or USB devices, and or 4G or 3G or 5G depending on your location. And you should have a backup mobile network. This is a problem for where we cannot have signals of mobile, and we have a problem where we cannot connect. So you should have ideally a backup mobile network that can be another company's connection if one connection is not working, or that can be that you have some kind of a phone that is connected through the internet or through the satellite. So you should have all the necessary items in your toolkit, because when you are going to a place, you cannot come back and go through again and again through the investigation scene, or you cannot leave the investigation scene all alone. So basically you should be fully prepared with these minimum kind of things. There can be multiple things other than this one in your toolkits. If it is a larger scenario or incident, you will also have your food items, your clothes, and your necessary items to live at the incident place. So this video was up to here. Like and subscribe to my channel, share this knowledge with all the people. Thank you.